We're at 2812 Villawood Circle. This is in Gulf Breeze. We're entering through our front door here. The ground floor is all tile and upstairs is carpeting. So directly to our right, we have our half bathroom. So here's that half bath, perfect for guests. And then here is our living area. And our staircase going up to the second floor as well. We'll go up there shortly, but here's that staircase. Continuing in, these bifold doors here are our laundry area. Then we have a pantry and a storage closet. And here is our dining area and kitchen. So we'll turn you around so you can see the front of the unit. So this is facing the front. And then we have our glass door to our backyard. And we'll take you out there. The backyard is shared, but we do have a partition fence for our patio. So here's that backyard space. Heading back inside. Here is our kitchen. We have a stove, dishwasher, and fridge here. And then we have our large pantry in here. And again, another storage closet in our laundry area. Heading upstairs now, we'll go to the 2 bedrooms and full bathroom. We're at the top of the staircase now, so this is our second floor. We come to this short hallway. To our left, you can see our staircase. To our left, we have our first bedroom. This is the larger of the 2 bedrooms. This is on the front end of the unit. Lots of good lighting and closet space in here. Heading back out. Directly in front of us, you can see our bathroom. This is our full bathroom. We have nice vanity with extra storage, tub shower combo, and we have our linen closet in the bathroom as well. And then here's our second guest bedroom. This is on the back side of the unit. It is the smaller one of the 2 bedrooms, but it is still a good size. Heading back downstairs now. We'll go back down the staircase.